There's really not much time left.
1, 2, 3.
He got it! The golden ticket!
You got it.
He actually got it!
Let's go.
Luck.
They don't have to take their hands off, though. It is up to them. All that stands between you and that jet is their decision. They've held on for over a day. Will they finally let go? You guys have seconds left. Make a decision.
We will. Yeah.
Oh my gosh! They honored it! They honored it! You just won this private jet!